guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a really quick and easy Christmas card for you using your Scan and Cut machine. So here I am in Canvas and I have chosen the Christmas card stencil, which you are supposed to cut out with acetate to use as icing sugar, but we're going to change it up a little bit today. So all I'm going to do is upload that. Okay, so we're going to change it into a Christmas card. So first of all, we need to resize it. Now most square envelopes, you could probably get circle envelopes, but I've got square, are around 15 centimetres. So I am just resizing our pattern here to around 13. So there we go, we've got 13.2. Easy peasy. Let's put it on that side because that's where we want it to be. Now I'm going to get a circle shape out of our basics and make it exactly the same size to make the other side of the card. So let's just size that up to 130.2 in, just so you can see it's exactly the same. So what we're going to do is just move it to the side and make sure it's overlapping. You know I love to weld on here, so just make sure it's overlapping. Now, just to ensure that these two are on the same level, I'm going to, there we go, select all, go up to our edit, and I'm just going to use the middle tool there. So we make sure that they are side by side exactly the same. Now, while they're both selected, let's weld them together. Ta-da! And there we have our card. Beautiful. But just to make it look a little bit more professional, you could cut it out just like this and it would be okay. But we're just going to do a couple of extra things. So using my line, you can see it's selected at the top. I'm just going to go on the bend there, and I've got a solid line at the moment, as you can see there. Yeah, let's just go in a little bit, and you can see it's a solid line, but we want it to be a dashed line. So let's go into our properties, then dash, and choose the one you want. I want that one. Okay, and you can see there that we have a lovely dashed line. Now the bottoms, I've done circle cards before, and just a little tip here is to just flatten out the bottom. The way I'm going to do it is get a basic rectangle, put it on the bottom there, just so you're scratching the bottom, and they're going to be the same level because your rectangle is nice and straight. Go up to your edit and you're going to divide. Okay, so get rid of that, and then you can get rid of just the very bottom of your round shape, and that just makes it easier for the card to stand up, otherwise it can get a little bit wobbly. And you are done, so you can save it, you can download it, and there we have our beautiful easy McPeasy card. You haven't had to download any files, you haven't had to pay for any files, you just use what's on Scan and Cut Canvas again, and that's what all my videos are about, using what's free, what's available on your machine and on Canvas. And I hope you have enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and have a look at my Facebook page, my Instagram and my blog, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye!